Hey guys, today we're going to read a story called Santa and the Goodnight Train. Let's begin. Santa and the Goodnight Train. Santa's coming. Ho, ho, ho. The Goodnight Train is all aglow. Engines shine, looking jolly, strung with lights decked with holly. The porter checks the tickets twice. Who's been naughty? Who's been nice? All aboard, slow and steady. Careful not to drop your teddy. Jimmy's on. It's Christmas Eve. Snug in bed, we're set to leave. Jingle, 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 toot, toot. On the track, trains, cars sway, keeping watch for Santa's sleigh. Up above, we spy a hoof. Is that Santa on the roof? Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hoo-hoo. Race through a town of gingerbread, gumdrop crossing straight ahead. Candy kings line the street, every house a tasty treat. There's a bit out of a star. Can Santa Claus be very far? Fa-la-la, choo-choo. Dashing through the woods at night, the merry trains shines a light. Chipmunks dance, squirrels cheer. Santa Claus has just been here. But where, oh where did Santa go? Who made that angel in the snow? Ho, 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 hoo-hoo! The engineer hits the brake. Everyone is wide awake. Santa's sleigh is on the tracks. Reindeer yawning on their backs. Santa Claus is counting sheep. One reindeer is fast asleep. Wake up! Wake up! Move the sled! All aboard! Come find your bed. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Toot, toot! Faster, faster! The train wheels roll. Conductor yells. Next stop, North Pole. At the workshop, elves all cheer. Santa's here until next year. Before he goes, there's one last toy in his bag for a sleepy boy. The Goodnight Train chugs off to leave, heading home on Christmas Eve. Fa-la-la, sleep. Good night, Santa. Good night, train. So thank you very much for reading this story with me. We'll see you next week. And have a Merry Christmas. Bye.